Okay, so let's get straight to the point. We have a worldwide protest going on against the experiments that we're conducting. Our xenobots are being perceived as a threat to humanity. We need to debunk these myths and make the people understand that all great inventions have been a result of our greatest minds experimenting and thinking outside of the box. Any suggestions?
Um, I think we can have a press release because it would be easier to spread awareness in a press release, and we can build a sort of faith with the general public, and we can bring the general public into almost into the same page. So, and I think it would be best that we do this in a friendly situation with a friendly face. How have these scientists created these so-called xenobots?
Well, xenobots were designed on a supercomputer using the stem cells from the embryo of a African clawed frog, Xenopus laevis, and hence that's how we got the name xenobots. These are composed of only two things: the skin cells and the heart muscle cells, and are about one millimeter wide. The skin cells provide rigid support, and the heart cell act as a small motor which propel them to move in linear or circular direction. Uh, they were discovered by the team of scientists at the University of Vermont, and then they were tested in a lab at Turf University.
What makes this Xenobot so unique?
Composed of 500 to 1000 living cells, xenobots have a lot of features to offer. They're designed to walk, swim, push, or carry an object and work together. They can move towards a target and carry a payload. Consider medicine that needs to be administered to specific organs of the patient, parts that would otherwise be hard to reach. Designed by roboticists, xenobots come in multiple shapes and forms. They can survive for a week by feeding on small platelets of yolk that fill each of its cells. They can self heal in case of a cut in the skin. Although they are described as programmable living robots, they are actually completely organic and are made of living tissue.
Okay, I hear you. But why do we even need such kind of an organism in the first place?
With a remarkable combination of artificial intelligence and biology, xenobots are currently being deployed as a scientific tool to understand the functions of individual cells and how they cooperate together to build complex bodies during morphogenesis. But considering their potential, xenobots can be used for a host of different tasks. Studies say that xenobots could be used to clean our polluted oceans by collecting microplastics and cleaning up radioactive wastes. They can also carry medicines inside human bodies and place them at targeted locations. And since they can survive in aquatic environments for weeks without any adjustments and additional food, they could prove suitable for internal drug delivery as well. Given their biodegradable nature, they would also have an edge over metal and plastic based technology.
How can we know that we can trust these organisms? They are AI created after all.
We are sure that in the coming years we will know and see more scientific innovations like xenobots that could evoke wonders. Now, I'm sure all of you might have this one concern that what if this evolves into something much beyond our control? We too, as a company, have thought about it and implemented a backdoor to our systems where we can directly walk in and kill the entire system.
Let's not forget the fourth pillar, media. We can target all the local news channels and get into media outlets. I think we should start by getting our news story out on local news until we break through the merits of national news. It's incredibly challenging to get coverage in national media, but I think there is less competition on local media. We need chances of getting our story out there on ensuring our audience sees it, and I think local media is the best way to present it.
सुप्रभात दर्शकों, आज के इस बुलेटिन खबरों में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम सुनेंगे एक बहुत ही दिलचस्प खबर, एक नया सदस्य जो हमारे परिवार में जुड़ चुका है, जिसका नाम रखा गया है जेनोबॉट। जी हाँ, सही सुना आपने, जेनोबॉट। कहा जाता है कि ये एक नई प्रजाति असाध्य यानी इनक्योरेबल रोगों का इलाज कर सकती है। और ऐसी दिलचस्प खबरों के लिए हमारे साथ जुड़े रहिए मैं दर्शित मेठी आज तक से।
How about we adapt to the new normal, like bring about a celebrity or an influencer into the topic? Because I feel like by partnering with a celebrity or an influencer, we bring the whole fan following or their followers into the topic, and that would create engagement and more traffic for our brand. And personally, as I've had my few fair shares of being a influencer, I feel like people or the general public would tend to believe what the person they adore tends to tell them rather than what the brand actually sends the message by advertisements or anything of that sort.
Hi guys, so I hope you're doing well. So I wanted to talk to you about something very sensitive. Now I don't really do that, but somehow today I've wanted to talk to you about it. So there's a friend of mine who's got cancer, and being the stubborn humans that we are, we don't really let go of our loved ones now, do we? And especially when we have hope. And in this case, my hope was given to me by the infamous Xenobots, and you all must have heard about their experiments and about them. So, my friend decided to give his life one last try and he enrolled in for the experiment. And just like you all, even I was very skeptical about it at first. But today his reports came in and the cancer platelets have reduced by 30%. So, and they have also taken the responsibility for all his treatments and expenses and everything included. And it's just really easier to cross the tunnel when you see light ahead. And in this case, the light was given by Ligma Tech Limited. And if you guys want more information about the Xenobots and about their experiments, I have shared a link in my bio, so do check it out.
How about we give our experiment volunteers a token of appreciation? Maybe something they can hold on to for their entire lives?
Like what?
Maybe something that reminds them that their time alive is precious and all they have to do is live it. Maybe an engraved watch. I could say,
Maybe time is precious.
no, how about life finds a way?
Good.
That's good. I like that. Alright, sounds like we're done for the day. Good job, you guys.
Okay.
Keep it up. Let's start working from tomorrow.
Yeah, sure.
Sure.